Hi everyone, so today I want to speak to you about renovating and give you some tips from myself. I've been in the industry for about 20 years and we have been renovating a lot of homes as well as villas in the Swiss market, as well as also in Sydney, Australia, where I'm from. So I want to give you 3 tips today as to how you can reduce stress when you are renovating your home. So the first one is definitely define your budget. So without a budget, there's no party. So you need to be able to allow about 10 to 15% of your budget if anything goes not your way. I don't want to say wrong, but if something is unexpected, like an extra delivery or custom fees, or extra time from the hand workers, it's always good to have that extra 10 to 15% just in case. Now the other tip would be definitely to work together with professionals. I can't stress this enough. I work together with my team for about 5 years. I have one team of professionals who do all my jobs that I can't do. I can't do everything. So I have a hand worker, I have someone that does the bookkeeping, I have someone that does my graphic design and my text. But for a renovation, you definitely need a second opinion, such as from an interior designer, an architect, an acoustic professional, someone that is a handyman, someone that will be able to advise you. Also electrical issues, these are all things that I also take on board. I also get my second opinions from my team, just to make sure that everything runs smoothly. And also allow yourself time. Time is precious. I know everyone has their dream date deadline as to when they want to move in, as to when they want to have everything finished, but allow yourself enough time so that you can create beautiful interiors and a beautiful home, which you won't be disappointed, or things that are made in a rush always go wrong. So allow yourself for a renovation for a home which is over 100 square meters. Definitely allow yourself between 3 to 6 months for that renovation so that everything goes smoothly. If it's just a minor renovation I'm talking about, otherwise you are looking at a 1 year time frame if you're looking to do everything like the kitchen and bathrooms, the flooring, the walls, etc. So I hope you enjoy my tips, and I'll put the link down below so you can read all about that in more detail. So see you soon.